Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. This week we are going to focus on stress, which has been identified as one of the largest contributors to health issues. It can be an underlying cause for a lot of things. So we're going to explore this more in depth. As always, you will have to read the chapter, complete the Learn Smart, complete the quiz and the stress lab. I understand some of you are still unable to access the quizzes and the labs. I have sent the names of those who have contacted me to McGraw-Hill in order to reach out to attempt to troubleshoot and problem solve this from your end as well as mine to see what's going on. As I've stated before, I've never had the level of issues that I've had this semester, which I know can be causing a lot of stress for people. So just as a reminder, at this time, I'm not negatively, your grade is not negatively impacted if you have not been able to access. For those of you that have been continuing to complete those quizzes and those labs that have had access, thank you so much. We are still figuring it out, and we will continue, and I will figure out something if we can't get everyone access to all of those. Okay, so I know that over the past year and a half, we've had a lot of added stress from an outside source that we never anticipated we would have. So this chapter is going to discuss this a little bit more, and then in the following week we'll talk about how to adapt and cope with those stressors. So this week, in your stress folder, if you click on here, maybe my computer's being very slow, I apologize. I have a couple videos that I really would like you to watch. This is a TED Talk, and then this is just a YouTube video, but it's going to give more information on how to navigate stressors and how to really learn how it impacts your life, and it doesn't have to be negative. So we have the PowerPoint here, your Learn Smart, your quiz, the stress lab, and then we have our 3-day smartphone tracking. So you'll click into here. This is very, very similar to the diet and exercise reflections that you've been doing the past few weeks, but this one is specifically for smartphones. If you do not have a smartphone, please contact me, and I have an alternative assignment for you. Okay, so this is the stress focus. So then, for those of you that have not completed the unit exam, that is due this coming Sunday on the 24th at midnight or 11:59 p.m. And it is 40 minutes. And finally, our behavior change project. Okay, so now we're really going to start identifying what your behavior change is going to be. You are on step 1.4 of the behavior change. What needs to happen is you need to obtain a passing score on step 1.3 and also view the SMART Goals module. So this is a video just about creating SMART goals. This is not the SMART Goals module. So I recommend watching this, but then you will need to go to the behavior change project, and it's all open so you can all see that there's these steps. This is the SMART Goal case study. So you'll want to review this first, and then you can go into step 1.4. As always, you need to get a passing score, which is a 2 or a 3, or a check mark or a check plus on the step 1.3. So all of those need to be completed before you have access to step 1.4. Go back to week 5. And that should be it. So we're going to go through again, reading the chapter. You need to complete the Learn Smart, the quiz, the stress lab. I recommend watching the provided videos, complete the phone tracking assignment. Your Unit 1 exam is due, and complete the SMART Goals case study and step 1.4. Okay, So this is week 5. This semester is flying by, so keep going strong as you have been, and I look forward to seeing the SMART goals that you guys are coming up with for your behavior change project. Have a great week.